It's Cash's Tryptamine Astrology readings, and I have some good news for you. Today, we're feeling greater resolve and positive feelings than I anticipated. Someone said that my astrology has been in a pessimistic tone lately, and sometimes that's the way I feel, but I'm going to make sure that it's not that right now, because it shouldn't be. Because today is actually a good day. Mercury is at 25 degrees Leo, trine Uranus fully peaking right now, and we're feeling the positive energy of Eris coursing through Uranus, as Uranus is aligned with the large dwarf planet Eris for the first time since 1930. With my South Node conjunct Eris, and having observed it now in many people's charts, I know that Eris is this dwarf planet, this deep dark thing with a high volatile potential, kind of a propensity towards darkness and intensity. But Eris can breed a survival instinct and something that hysterically laughs in the face of any pain or hardship. In Aries, with Uranus conjunct Eris, the political climate in the air, the Uranus, which is the elections right now, even though that's contorted and circumstantially messed up, our political climate, our place of ideology in the air right now, our place of technological advancement, and our place in the air right now, in the climate that says, this is who we are, and this is what we stand for, and this is our natural right to exist. That is Uranus and Aries right now, and I'm feeling it. So I thought I'd make this video and show you what it really is. Eris is something that courses through my personality, and you can feel it right now. I can feel this aspect in particular a lot because Mercury is conjunct my moon in Leo. Venus is more exactly conjuncted at 20 degrees right now. But I can really feel it because my sun is at 15 degrees Aquarius, my Mars at 20. I can feel it all going to my sun and moon right now. And it's incredibly positive. We need to utilize this fiery survival instinct, never being defeated, always feeling love and being who we are no matter what stands in our way. We need to feel this right now, get it deeply embedded into our personalities, not our personalities, the way we feel right now. We need to deeply embed this warm Leo energy full of purpose. You see, when Leo mixes with Aquarius, or when Leo mixes with Uranus, the planet of Aquarius, you get a revolutionary. Especially the very end of Aquarius and the very end of Leo, the axis of Regulus, where people like Martin Luther King had Neptune, so he had his spiritual vision in Leo, trine Saturn and Sagittarius. Anyway, this is the time. Exactly right now, this next several days is the most important time to feel the energy of life and the purity of life, of loving life, and knowing that we stand for something, and we were born into what we were born into, and we're doing the best we can, so we need to feel that we can only do all that we can in life. We were born into what we live in. We need to do the best we can and love each other and love life and not let anything get us down. Because when Mercury hits 10 degrees Virgo, squaring Saturn and opposing Neptune on August 6th, and then Venus touches the same point, and then on September 1st, the eclipse happens at 9 degrees Virgo, then we're really going to need to remember this very moment and how strong we felt now, so that we can be okay then. So I hope that you appreciate the way I said that, even though it's kind of disorganized and whatever it is, but, doesn't matter. This is what matters. This is the fruits of life. Leo, Aquarius axis, Leo and Uranus, that's the axis of the sun and Uranus, the core identity and the higher mind, the ideological identity, the Uranus. This is the fruits of life that we can feel in the air right now. We need to remember how this feels, and this is the energy that keeps us going. Much love. Peace.